Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 11th August. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So for 12th August weekly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,300 strike, followed by 16,400 strike. And if we see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is at 16,200 strike, followed by 16,000 strike. So broadly speaking, we are trading in a range of 16,000 to the downside and 16,400 to the upside. And if you were to see what happened intraday, the change in open interest data suggests that today highest amount of open interest addition in calls happened at 16,450 strike, followed by 16,400 strike, and 16,100 call strike, 16,150 call strike, and 16,250 call strike. They saw their open interest reduce, which tells us that call option writers, they book their profits, and call option buyers, they book their losses. And if we see the puts today, highest amount of open interest addition in puts has happened at 16,200 strike. So for the near term, 16,300, and beyond that 16,400 is going to act as a resistance for this series, and 16,200 followed by 16,000 level is going to act as a support based on the overall open interest data. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see on the monthly time frame we are trading above the monthly open 15,874.9 levels, and on the monthly time frame market is under control of buyers. And if we see the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame we are currently under control of sellers, as we are trading below the opening price by 1 point. So it's a doji week so far, and straight away there is conflict between the monthly and the weekly time frame. And if you see the daily time frame in terms of price structure, we have made a higher high and a higher low today. So based on this price structure, we are in an uptrend, and above 16,281 level we could potentially have a full time frame continuity to the upside tomorrow, and we can make a new all time high on the index as well potentially. But going by the exhaustion in some sectors at this point of time in the market, we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. So if we trade above 16,280 level, we can trade towards 16,359, 16,401, and potentially 16,455 levels. And below 16,202 level, we can potentially trade towards 16,160, 16,106, and potentially 16,045 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 16,280 level to 16,202 level, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we would be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. Our first stock is Gujarat Gas Limited. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 735.1 level, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 710.55 level. Our next stock is KPIT Tech. It is in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 315 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 300.9 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow, which is formed an inside candlestick pattern, is Star. So it is trading below 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 681.1 level. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 16,280, we can potentially trade towards 16,401 level. and below 16,202 level we can potentially trade towards 16,106 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a range of 16,400 to the upside and 16,000 to the downside based on the overall open interest data. And the max pain for this weekly expiry has remained at 16,250 levels only. So max pain tells us if market was to expire at 16,250 level, in that scenario call and put option writers, they are going to be making profits at the expense of call and put option buyers, as large percentage of options they expire worthless on expiry. And a stock watch list comprises of inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. The stocks we have already discussed: Star, KPI Tech, Gujarat Gas Limited. So these inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look to establish a position if either side of the range, today's high-low range breaks.